First and foremost, when we say Happy Independence Day, what does that actually mean from a Haitian standpoint?
Wow. When we say Happy Independence Day, what it means for us Haitians, it means liberation, freedom, not only for Haiti, but for all black folks. So it's kind of like we're starting that movement, which actually will conquer the rest of the world. So when you say Happy Independence to a Haitian person, it's not just to a Haitian person. It's definitely to everybody black.
Where did we lose that understanding? Because Haiti was looked at throughout the diaspora and everywhere as a beacon of not only hope but inspiration. Like it inspired revolution and decolonization.
Well, it has to do with who's writing the narratives for you. I don't have to mention who, we all know who. So it's all about erasing the facts. Haiti did not only help black people, it also helped Latin America, which of course there is, the slave trade throughout there. The Colombian flag, the Venezuelan flag, it starts from the Haitian flag, just added the yellow part and everything. So it's I think where we lost it is because of who the oppressors, they want to make sure that we don't have that power. You know what I mean? They take that power away from us, and that's where it gets lost because they're the one at the time writing the narratives for everybody.
Well, when we think about the islands and Haiti and all, like this is like almost ground zero for Christopher Columbus and these straight up I don't even know the word for them, murderers, etc. When you think about this history, we generally sometimes hear of Toussaint Louverture, but
Correct.
The history has got to be deeper. And could you just
Correct.
share what we should really know from your standpoint?
Absolutely. Toussaint Louverture was a tremendous man, right? He's a huge guy, huge personality. We owe him a lot. Our nation owe him a lot. However, I feel like a lot of time we forget about Jean-Jacques Dessalines, who we called Papa la Nation, the father of our nation. He is the one that actually started this movement and said, Toussaint, come with me. Capois come with me. Henri Christophe, come with me. You know what I mean? It's not just Toussaint Louverture. Dessalines is known as the father of our nation. Dessalines was one of the few that actually understood how the oppressor operates. He gets it. Things that we are seeing today, things that we are talking about today as far as like, white privilege, white supremacist. He knew that. He talked about that. When Capois, which is the gentleman who actually wrote the Act of Independence, of course, with them, one of the things that stood out to me is that don't take anything from the white man. The day that you do, you owe him your life. And I think this is where Haiti went wrong by getting help from NGOs here, getting help there. And look at us today. You see what I mean? These guys understood the assignment.
What should everyone know about Haiti in the history of Haiti?
I'm just going to keep it in the modern days. What we need to understand about Haiti is that the way Haiti is right now is not because Haitians want it to be this way. The way Haiti is right now, it's so complex. There's so many layers to it that it will take time. But we need our community, our black community, or anybody else that's willing to help us get out of it. It is a complex situation with, again, so many layers to it. I want them to know that we don't want to be what we are now. Haitians have souls for days. Haitians, we are what they say it often. We are unbreakable, but at the same time, people don't understand that Haitians have not taken a break since they've taken independence. It's one thing after the next. So
today, and why January 1st? And there's a specific soup that becomes a special soup today, but then it becomes the soup of the soup of the
Correct.
soup for the rest of the year.
Correct. So soup jumu, it's pumpkin. It's a type of pumpkin. So soup jumu is so on January 1st, soup jumu is what we called independent soup, right? So because we were not allowed to drink this soup, eat this soup. So when we took our independence, these ancestors said soup for everybody. And this is how it became what it is today. It's a symbol. It is kind of like, you know what, we couldn't touch this, but now. If you think about it, France does not talk about pumpkin soup. It is not part of their gastronomy since then. You know what I mean? So, soup jumu is what nourishes our soul and what connects us to our ancestors and through our history.